So guys, welcome back to the adventure, welcome to Ceuta. So if you were wondering what Ceuta is or where it is, it's actually a Spanish overseas territory. It's one of the last two territories, last colonies of Spain here in North Africa. So Ceuta being one and Melilla being the other. So here today we're going to have a little look around Ceuta, the old Spanish colony, and we'll see how it is, see how it compares to the neighbour Morocco, who really wants it back still. It's a very similar case with Spain and Gibraltar. This is Spain's Gibraltar in Africa, just like Gibraltar's Britain's in Europe. So yeah, let's have a little walk around now and stay tuned. Many interesting buildings we're going to pass here. The majority of them I'm not going to know what they are, so do your research. So here we are on the start of Ceuta's main street. So let's make our way down and we'll have a little look around the town, see what there is to do here. Just taken a pit stop here on the main street of Ceuta, and I've opted for a Moroccan breakfast. So here we've got like turkey sausage, cheese, eggs, bread, and that typically famous Moroccan tea. Lovely. Well guys, for that breakfast there, that cost €3 or £2.50. That was with a tea as well, so great value for money. But let's continue on into the city centre, and maybe we're going to pass by the market actually now. Well, obviously we've arrived late at the market, so there's not really too much to see in the way of stands that shut up, so let's head back into town. Almost got run down by the gathers there. Despite it being a colonial outpost, you still get all your Western makes here. Just a little stroll along the promenade here as we're going to make our way to the ancient Arabic baths. We're going to have a look at them. The temperature right now is about 26 degrees, so it's not overwhelmingly hot, but warm enough. Oh, it's a casino. There's a swimming pool. Here's another place I've stumbled across. It looks good, it looks nice. Let's go in and have a look, see if they've anything nice, anywhere nice to chill out. So this is the Marina Park. I paid an entrance and I think I get a sun lounger as well. Right in the city centre. This looks beautiful. I feel like being a kid again in this place. This is fantastic. This is the Park Maritime here in central Ceuta. There's still a lot more pools to see. I found a bar as well, $1.50 a beer. One thing I found here in Ceuta, everything is so much more cheaper than the mainland because this is a tax-free zone, as if it was the Canary Islands. They're all a part of the same, Melilla, Ceuta, the Canary Islands. Amazing here. So here we are at the Arabic Baths, Baños Árabes. Let's have a look. This was on the old Google guidebook of what to see and do here. I've got to say, it's a beautiful building, but it's very underwhelming. Okay, so this bit's probably my favourite bit of Ceuta. It's the city beach here. And it's absolutely fantastic. Look at that sea there. La Rivera, that's the name of the beach here, the city beach in Ceuta. If I pan over here and do a bit of zooming, you can start to see the city, well the town, Castillejos. Now this is actually in Morocco, with the border just a little bit to the right there. But yeah, you can see deep inside Morocco here, and you can follow the coast all the way down to the city of Tetuan, about 45 kilometres south of here. But let's go and have a look on the beach. Now I'm starting to feel like I'm on the beach in Africa. This is beautiful, isn't it? Beach is packed. As I say, the weather's not so unbearably hot. See the cloud hanging over Morocco there. As I say, we're only a couple of kilometres away from the border at this point here. Some lovely beach bars. We might have to visit them later after the filming. Just look at the colour of the water there. Absolutely clear. I'm going to end this whistle stop tour of Ceuta here at the beach behind me. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you on the next adventure, guys.